everybody, William Miller, National Brand Manager with DRV Luxury Suites. I am joined by Miss Andrea Graves and Mr. Kyle Casper. I clearly am very excited because this is not a floor plan we commonly see. Kyle, why do we not typically see this floor plan?
This is a floor plan that, dealers aren't necessarily going to stock, because they're so used to the traditional mobile suite way of having the bedroom up front, kitchen in the middle, living room in back. This is a unique floor plan where customers can bring their family along and still have a substantial amount of space.
We're currently in the living room area. Andrea, what did you do for 2021 relative to the design for this Manhattan?
This Manhattan is featuring the hazelnut wood color, which is actually a carryover from last year. So that's not a new wood color. I know we've been kind of doing a hype on our new white and our new Colombian, but this is still a really, really great color, nice mid-tone. So what you'll see new in this particular space would be the new fascia with the little accent lighting in it, the hardwood balances, the new brighter, whiter wall boards. We've talked about those a lot. The ceiling fan, smaller so the slides can come in, but down off the ceiling so we get that airflow. Some new brighter white countertops, but just kind of freshening up the look on a still great wood color.
If they want a Manhattan, but they want to upgrade from like the solid surface countertop, would this be eligible for the Elite package upgrade?
Yes.
So, if you were to get this with the Elite package upgrade, what then would be changing in the Manhattan?
First and foremost would be you get the quartz countertops. You get the hardwood balances that you're seeing, but the Elite package comes with a lit hardwood balance, so it's just kind of
so these are all going to be backlit LED?
Yep.
Okay.
Yep. Motorized MCD shades, the day-night shades. The mattress in the front bedroom would be a Sleep Number. You would get the Dyson vacuum.
One thing that we switched up this year in the 2021s is eliminated as much carpet as we can. So in your bedrooms, the only place you're going to get carpet is in your closet. And we, again, have the option to remove that if the customer chooses to do so.
Let's just talk a little bit about the living room area. So you've got theater type seating, fully powered, heating, got a big screen TV, comes with a fireplace. As you had mentioned, no carpet here. This will actually fold out to accommodate sleeping, correct?
Correct.
I'm really excited because this is the first time I've seen a bunkhouse in a DRV.
It's not just a bunkhouse, it has a full bathroom back there too. Most bunk rooms have a half bath. This one has a full bath.
All right, everybody, a couple things I want to talk about. There is a lot of storage here. You've got it, down here, you get the nice slide rails on this lower bed. This bunk, we don't have a rating. I'm 6'3", 250. And yet, it holds me. So there's a lot of room in this bunkhouse. There's just a ton of storage back here, and it's exciting for me to see this new floor plan. Now, if somebody doesn't want the bunkhouse, what are some of the things that maybe you've done in the past in this back room area?
We've had a couple people turn that area more into an office. They'll fill that side with a storage cabinet and maybe put a desk off to the left of where you're standing. Offices, sewing rooms, craft rooms. We have a customer that's running a sewing business out of this bunk room back here. If you have a question, ask it, and we would definitely consider accommodating it.
Andrea, you're just doing a great job in the kitchen, so if you would just highlight everything you did and what everybody can expect out of their Manhattan.
You're not compromising your kitchen space. You're getting tons of countertop space. This is our largest island that you'll see in our floor plans that don't have bunk rooms. You still have nice counter space back here, our standard pantry with the pull-out trays, so you're still getting all that space there. Another awesome thing about this kitchen is the pantry over here. And that's adjustable shelving, so you can accommodate to whatever you want to store. There's more down here, of course, as well. The control panel over here where Kyle's at, that's your standard closet with the hooks, so you can hang some coats. Of course, the refrigerator is here. A fun thing, not all our floor plans have, but it's just kind of a nice use of space, is this great spice rack that's built into the fascia. So it's kind of hidden and out of sight, but it's a great use of space.
We're in the master suite of the Manhattan, and I want to highlight some things that we changed up and possibly show you some standards that we have in this floor plan. So one thing I like to show is this one actually features the vanity slide, and one thing you get with that is substantial storage, and tons of countertop space. And then another thing too that we switched up this year is we actually eliminated the soundbar with our TV, so it's actually built in. The issue we had was there was a delay from the soundbar to the TV. Again, that's us listening to our customers and moving forward with being innovative. You get this beautiful, spacious, king-size bed with a nightstand. If you wanted to plug your phone in, things like that, you have the ability to do that. This model offers a side-by-side washer and dryer closet. Another thing that our customers do is if they don't want the washer and dryer, they can utilize that as storage space.
All the master suites will have the hardwood balances. The separate controlled dimmable lighting over the bed is also nice if somebody wants to read and somebody wants to sleep. You can adjust that lighting. The closet is always a nice focal point in any of our floor plans, really. These doors come back pretty far. You got the cedar lined closet with plenty of hanging space. The safe in the wall is featured in this unit here. And then over here is some storage drawers.
The closet is another area that we can accommodate some things. If a customer is wanting an extra shelf possibly, or to eliminate a shelf, you know, talk to us here at the factory, and we can work hand on hand with our engineer.
This year we switched up the front cap with integrated LED lights that work as hazards, turn signals, and if you're stationary lights. I know a lot of customers like to do that at campgrounds to, you know, distinguish themselves a bit. Another thing too is this is a new paint scheme called Townsend Slate. It's not your black and grays and your tans, it's more of a neutral blue.
So on the exterior, what would change if somebody wanted to get the Elite package upgrade?
They can get a fiberglass roof. They also get fiberglass fender skirts. And another thing too is they get an all-new Elite paint scheme that's going to have window silks and your slide-out end walls painted with stripes.
So that is a full body paint.
Full body paint.
So if you and your family want more information about this rare but wonderful Manhattan, you can go to drvsuites.com, or you can call us at Andrea
260-562-1075.
Thank you guys so much.